Hi everyone, my name is Michaela Heron and I'm a dietetic intern with Grey Bruce Public Health, and I'm here today to show you how to make energy balls. So energy balls are a great alternative to packaged granola bars, cookies, or crackers, anything that you find in the snack aisle. So you can make these homemade snacks, but you are going to have less saturated fat, sugar, and sodium. So making these energy bites at home instead of buying granola bars and prepackaged snack foods will actually save you money as well. So it's good for your health and it's good for your wallet. So you can keep these in the fridge for up to 5 days, or you can put them in the freezer and store them for a few months. For this recipe, you're just gonna need quick oats or any type of oats. Rolled oats works as well. You're gonna need some peanut butter. You can use any nut butter as well if you have an allergy, or if you don't have it in the family, then you can have almond butter, cashew butter, any type works. Vanilla extract adds a bit of flavor, but it's not necessary. A little bit of salt. Chocolate chips. These also are optional. You can use dried fruit, nuts, any kind of seeds as well. Or coconut is good too. And you're gonna need honey. This can be also substituted with maple syrup. So to get started, we're gonna take 1 cup of oats and put it in the bowl. We also are gonna add some peanut butter, 1/2 cup. This helps bind the energy bites together, and it has a healthy fat and a bit of protein in there to keep us full for longer. We're also gonna add our vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and our honey or maple syrup. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of this. And then we're gonna take a big spoon and mix it all together. And it should start to stick together and get harder to stir. And once you have this mixture, you can add your chocolate chips in. Once again, these can be substituted with nuts, seeds, or anything like that. And now you have a consistency like this, and you can take it with your hands and form it into a ball, roll it around between your hands like this, and now you have energy bites. So you can put these in the fridge or the freezer and enjoy them all week long.